How to make delicious groundnut and corn snack. Start by cooking raw groundnuts. Boil them in water for about 10 to 20 minutes, adding a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. This helps soften the nuts and infuses them with saltiness. Once cooked, carefully drain the water using a strainer to remove excess moisture. Spread the drained groundnuts in a baking dish and place them in the oven or microwave to dry. This step is essential for achieving that perfect crunch. After drying, peel off the skin by gently rubbing the nuts between your fingers to reveal the edible part inside. Next, spread your corn in another baking dish and roast it in the oven or microwave for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it. And once it's golden brown, remove it and let it cool completely. Now it's time to mix. Combine the roasted ground nuts with the golden corn in a large mixing bowl, stirring until well combined. Fill one glass jar with your delicious mix and another with just the roasted corn. And there you have it, your tasty African snacks. Perfect for sharing or enjoying on your own. Enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes.